Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to reset your For You page on TikTok. If you're ready, open the TikTok app and go to your profile page. Then tap the three lines in the upper right corner. Next step, open Settings. Then tap the Content Preferences tab. Tap Refresh your For You feed. Then, tap the Start button. This section asks why you want to reset the For You page. Check the appropriate box and tap the Submit button. Your For You feed is currently being rebuilt. From now on, you will start seeing posts similar to those you've interacted with. Things like your searches, comments, and likes will affect your For You feed. I hope this how to reset your For You page feed on TikTok guide video was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.